Welcome to our channel, where we explore the art of healthy eating. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. In today's video, we will explore the critical components of healthy eating, including nutrition, meal preparation, and delicious yet nutritious recipes. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and inspiration to make positive changes to your diet and lifestyle. A balanced diet is essential for overall health and well-being. It provides the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help prevent chronic diseases, boost energy levels, improve mood, and support a robust immune system. By understanding the importance of a balanced diet, you can take control of your health and enhance your quality of life. Incorporating nutritious meals into your daily routine offers a multitude of benefits. Nutrient-dense foods can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other health conditions, and improve your overall well-being. Fueling your body with the proper nutrients can enhance your physical and mental performance, support healthy aging, and increase longevity. Making small changes to your diet can significantly impact your health, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. We aim to provide you with valuable information in an engaging and approachable manner. We want to empower you to make informed decisions about your food choices and inspire you to create delicious and nutritious meals at home. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our recipes and tips are designed to be easy to follow and enjoyable to make. Healthy eating should be a pleasurable experience, and we are here to show you how to make it a reality. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier you. Let's dive into mastering the art of healthy eating together. Nutrition is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle and crucial to our well-being. In this segment, we will delve into the fundamentals of nutrition and its impact on health, empowering you to make informed choices about the foods you consume. Macronutrients are the essential components of our diet that provide energy and support various bodily functions. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the three main macronutrients our bodies require in varying amounts. Carbohydrates are the primary energy source, proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, and fats are crucial in hormone production and nutrient absorption. Understanding the role of macronutrients can help you create a balanced diet that meets your body's needs and supports your health goals. In addition to macronutrients, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are vital for overall well-being. These nutrients support immune function, promote healthy skin and hair, and maintain optimal organ function. Vitamins and minerals act as cofactors in various biochemical reactions in the body, ensuring that essential processes run smoothly. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet, you can ensure that you are getting an adequate intake of micronutrients to support your health. Reading food labels is a valuable skill that can help you make informed food choices and better understand the nutritional content of your foods. When reading food labels, pay attention to serving sizes, calorie counts, and the amounts of macronutrients and micronutrients present in the product. Look for foods low in added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium, and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By becoming familiar with reading food labels, you can make healthier choices at the grocery store and improve your overall diet quality. By understanding the fundamentals of nutrition, you can take control of your health and well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on optimizing your diet and nourishing your body for a healthier, happier life. In today's fast-paced world, finding the time to prepare healthy meals can be a challenge. However, with effective meal preparation techniques, busy individuals can still enjoy nutritious and delicious meals without sacrificing their health goals. In this segment, we will showcase meal planning strategies, offer tips on batch cooking and meal prepping, and emphasize the importance of portion control and mindful eating habits. Meal planning is a critical component of successful meal preparation. By planning your meals, you can save time, reduce food waste, and ensure you consume balanced and nutritious meals throughout the week. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of foods from different food groups, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Consider incorporating leftovers into your meal plan to make the most of your ingredients and minimize cooking time. Batch cooking and meal prepping are excellent techniques for busy individuals looking to streamline their meal preparation process. By preparing large batches of food in advance and portioning them out for the week, you can save time and ensure that you always have healthy options. Consider cooking grains, proteins, and vegetables in bulk and storing them in containers for easy grab-and-go meals. Invest in quality storage containers that are microwave and freezer safe to keep your meals fresh and convenient. In addition to meal planning and preparation, portion control and mindful eating habits are essential for maintaining a healthy diet. To avoid overeating, focus on portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes and savor each bite by eating slowly and mindfully. By being mindful of what and how much you are eating, you can prevent mindless snacking and make more conscious food choices that support your health and well-being. By mastering meal preparation techniques, you can eliminate stress at mealtime and make healthy eating a sustainable and enjoyable part of your lifestyle. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your meal prep routine and nourishing your body with delicious and nutritious meals. Are you looking to add excitement to your meals while keeping them nutritious and delicious? Look no further. In this segment, we will inspire you with mouth-watering recipes that are easy to prepare and packed with wholesome ingredients to nourish your body. We've covered you with recipes catering to different preferences and dietary needs, from breakfast to dinner and snacks. Breakfast delights. Start your day with a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. How about trying a colorful smoothie bowl topped with fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds for a burst of energy? Or a hearty avocado toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes and a drizzle of olive oil for a savory kick. These breakfast options are delicious and quick to whip up, making them perfect for busy mornings. Lunchtime favorites. For a midday meal that will keep you fueled and focused, consider a quinoa salad loaded with roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and a zesty lemon dressing. Or try a nourishing Buddha bowl filled with various grains, greens, proteins, and a flavorful tahini sauce. These versatile lunch options allow you to customize them with your favorite ingredients while providing a balanced and satisfying meal. Dinner delicacies. When it comes to dinner, why not experiment with a plant-based stir-fry packed with colorful veggies and tofu, served over a bed of fluffy brown rice? Or indulge in a comforting lentil soup with aromatic spices and crusty whole grain bread. These dinner recipes are hearty, flavorful, and easy to prepare, perfect for busy weeknights. Snack time treats. When hunger strikes between meals, reach for a nutritious snack that will keep you satisfied until your next meal. Consider munching on crunchy roasted chickpeas seasoned with your favorite spices or enjoying a creamy yogurt parfait layered with fresh berries and granola. These delicious snack options provide a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the day. By exploring these healthy recipes, you can add a touch of creativity and flavor to your meals while prioritizing your health and well-being. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey filled with nutritious and delicious dishes that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. Please review the key points discussed and reflect on how you can take action to adopt healthier eating habits. We've explored the importance of nutrition, meal preparation, and healthy recipes in achieving overall wellness. Now, it's time to empower yourself to positively change your diet and lifestyle. Nutrition is the foundation of our health and well-being, providing the essential nutrients our bodies need to thrive. By understanding the role of macronutrients and micronutrients, you can create a balanced diet that supports your physical and mental health. Effective meal preparation techniques, such as meal planning, batch cooking, and portion control, can help you save time and ensure that you have nutritious meals readily available. Exploring healthy recipes that use fresh, whole ingredients and cooking methods that preserve nutrients can add variety and flavor to your meals while nourishing your body. Now that you have the knowledge and inspiration to make healthier food choices, it's time to implement that. Add more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to your meals. Experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Practice mindful eating habits, such as listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues and savoring each bite to enhance your dining experience. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and guidance on healthy living. By liking and sharing this video, you can help spread awareness and inspire others to prioritize their health and well-being. Be sure to explore related content on our channel or website for further insights on mastering the art of healthy eating and living your best life. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier you. Remember, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can significantly improve your overall well-being. Let's continue to make conscious choices that nourish our bodies and minds for a vibrant and fulfilling life.